So the Amish first settled in Belize in 1950s. They purchased property throughout the Kaya district. Actually, there were a sect that was from Canada that moved to Mexico, and I guess things wasn't really go according to plan or working in their best interests. So they had a collective few members who decided to take a trip south, farther south, and they touched down in Belize, and they were out checking out, scoping the area, and they were happy and content. They worked out an agreement with the government of Belize to do agriculture, farming, and that's how they got started. When they first settled, they weren't so sure what type of produce that they could, bring forth to sell to the community. So I think a Belizean landowner slash farmer back then told them try chicken and chicken eggs, and they got started with that, and they built their first cabin, and they just proceeded and moved on forward. Now in the community you can get beans, corn, chicken, cattle, beef. I do believe they tap into the pork industry, but I'm not 100% sure. They repair farm equipment, so you can get farm equipment from them now. They do grow soy as well, and you can purchase timber and other products for building your home from them as well. They even do construction. They build homes as well, but now I don't think they actually do that anymore. But they're known for having, you can get your truck and your farm equipment repaired there in their communities. You can get products for, construction products from them as well in their community. And that happened all within 60 plus years. Leadership is everything, right? So if you have leaders that are in love with money and power, you're gonna have some issues there. But if you have leaders that are looking out for the people and the nation, you can do anything, make anything possible and anything happen. You just have to have the right mindset. A baby fig right there. Trying to cool it down. Give it a little bat every now and then. Remember, grilling stuff like this, veggies, will always be a little bit crunchy, okay? It all depends on how long you grill it for. So I let the meat and the veggie marinate for about at least an hour and a half. So the type of taste that you want, because it's using a lot of smoke to grill, is going to have an impact on the type of wood that you use. So I use some of the construction fence posts, the construction posts that they use to show up concrete just before they pour a fig, and a piece of hardwood. I think it was sapodillic. Bush stick is the word that I was looking for. Bush stick. And I made my own charcoal, as you guys can see. If you're trying to avoid having the veggies be a little bit salty, then you can add a splash of vinegar, your choice. I use balsamic vinegar and apple cider and a little bit of water. The meat is not burnt either, that's just the seasoning. Seasoning is getting too much heat. Took a bite, the carrot sweet. Juicy. Perfect. Natural oil from the eggplant. It's coming out. Cooked perfect. Right? I don't have any words at this moment. The only desire is to slice another piece.